Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to tell you 5 things to do in college. Okay, these 5 things I did not do until later on in my life in university, and I regret that. But they're very important for each student. Number 1, I call focus. In other words, not wasting time, you gotta stay organized here. For example, one of the things that I used to do a lot was I would stay talking hours on end with my friends on the library when I had a project for the very next day, early in the morning. Another thing that we tend to do, and I used to do this a lot too, was stay all night playing video games, and then I had an exam the next day. I studied nothing at all. All of these things later on my life in university I fixed, and my grades were spectacular. We're smart. All of us are smart. We just gotta focus. Number 2, looking for a part-time job. This is something that I didn't do, and I wish I did. Only one summer did I work, and it was great. I worked at a car wash. It wasn't the best, but it was an extra cash, and there's nothing worse, from my personal experience, there's nothing worse than graduating a bachelor's and not having $20 in your pocket. Number 3, taking time for yourself, or in other words, relaxing. Wait a second, it sounds like I'm contradicting myself. That's probably what you're thinking. But no, you need a balance in life. You gotta focus, and you also need to relax. Whether it's 10 minutes at the beach, whether it's a weekend with the bros at the movies.
With the boys.
With the boys. Anything, as long as it's organized. You could relax, you could play video games, you could do whatever you want to do with your spare time. But you have to be as efficient as possible with your time. Number 4 is a special one. I call it self-maintenance. In other words, exercise, stretching, eating well, and sleeping well. You can't memorize as well all your study material if you're eating like trash or if you're sleeping like trash. You want results, you gotta sleep, you gotta eat well, and exercise will give you that stamina, that energy, that drive, and that motivation will keep you pumped to help you out on all of your works and needs. I will tell you this, exercising for me personally helped me almost as much as studying did. Number 5, well, like I said, studying. You gotta study. If you want results, you gotta study. But I'm not saying stay 30 minutes right there studying and like 40, 1 hour, 2 hours. No, forget that. Take some time to study, 10 minutes every day at least. Read all the material. And little by little, you'll see those results. And when you take that exam, you're gonna notice that you learned way more, and you're gonna remember way more than what you think you're capable of. Well, like I said, you need focus. You need a work. It's very good. If you can't do it as a part-time, try and get a summer job or something. Very important. Wash cars on the side, do other things. I have a video on that soon. Number 3, relaxing. Number 4, self-maintenance. And number 5, you just gotta study. That's number 5. That's all you need. I'm sure with all those 5 steps, those 5 little tips that I personally did not do until later on in college, they will help you a lot during your life in university. Remember, stay organized, stay focused, and stay awesome. Shaggy Ideas, out.